In this video, we listed the 5 best drones that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I try to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. DJI Mini 2 Drones. The DJI Mini 2 is a lightweight, ultra-portable drone designed to make aerial photography simple and accessible for everyone. Weighing less than 249 g, about the size of an apple, it slips easily into your hand or bag, making it the perfect travel companion. Despite its compact size, it delivers stunning 4K video and 12MP stills, supported by OcuSync 2.0 transmission for clear, stable video up to 10 kilometers away. With up to 31 minutes of flight time, resistance to level 5 winds, and a maximum takeoff altitude of 4,000 meters, it's built to perform in diverse environments. Features like 4x digital zoom and quick shots make capturing cinematic footage effortless, even for beginners, while the DJI Fly app adds professional editing options with music and filters. Whether you're exploring new landscapes or capturing everyday memories, the DJI Mini 2 transforms the way you see the world. Number 2. DJI Mini 4 Pro Drones. The DJI Mini 3 Pro takes portable aerial photography to the next level with its lightweight, foldable design that weighs under 249 g, no registration required in most regions. Equipped with a powerful 48MP camera capable of 4K video, it introduces true vertical shooting for perfect portrait content, making it ideal for social media creators. With up to 34 minutes of flight time, extendable to 47 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, it lets you capture more of every adventure. Advanced safety features like tri-directional obstacle sensing and APS 4.0 ensure smooth, worry-free flights, while intelligent modes such as Focus Track, Master Shots, Time-Lapse, and Quick Transfer unlock endless creative possibilities. FAA Remote ID compliant and compatible with DJI Goggles 2, Goggles Integra, and RC Motion 2, the Mini 3 Pro delivers an immersive FPV flight experience along with reliable, pro-level performance in an ultra-compact package. Number 3. DJI Air 3 Drones. The DJI Air 3 is a versatile drone built for creators who want professional quality footage in a compact, foldable design. Featuring a powerful dual-camera system, it delivers creative focal-length options for travel photography and videography, capturing 48MP stills with incredible detail and 4K per 60 frames per second HDR video with vibrant colors and lifelike clarity. With omnidirectional obstacle sensing and enhanced safety features like Vision Assist and Active Shots 360 degrees, you can fly confidently even in complex environments. The advanced O4 HD transmission system ensures smooth flights with a stable 1080p/60 fps live feed up to 20 kilometers, offering extended flight time, FAA Remote ID compliance, and immersive FPV compatibility with DJI Goggles Integra, Goggles 2, and RC Motion 2. The Air 3 is perfect for adventurers, travelers, and aerial storytellers. Whether you're capturing sweeping landscapes or tracking dynamic subjects, the DJI Air 3 brings cinematic creativity to every flight. Number 4. Parrot Anafi Drones. The Parrot Anafi is a lightweight, foldable drone designed for creators who want power and portability in one package. Weighing just 320 g, it unfolds in seconds and delivers up to 25 minutes of flight time with its intelligent LiPo battery, which charges 60% faster via USB-C power delivery. Equipped with a 21MP camera featuring an f/2.4 wide-angle ASBH lens, HDR, and 2.8x digital zoom, it captures stunning 4K UHD video and sharp photos without loss of quality. Advanced modes like Burst, 10 photos per second, timers, and Professional Wizards give you complete creative control. With a top speed of 55 kilometers per hour and the Sky Controller 3 remote, you'll enjoy precise handling plus smart features such as Geofence, Smart RTH, and Find My Drone for safe flights. Regular Free Flight 6 software updates further enhance reliability and unlock new experiences, ensuring the Parrot Anafi stays future-ready for your aerial adventures. Number 5. Autel EVO II Drones. The Autel EVO II Pro 6K drone is a cutting-edge aerial device designed for adult users, featuring a striking orange color and a robust set of specifications. It boasts a 6K video capture resolution and an impressive 15 kilometers video transmission range through its Autel Skylink 2.0 technology, utilizing tri-band communication for enhanced connectivity. This drone is powered by a 7,100 mAh battery, providing up to 40 minutes of flight time. Included in the package are essential components such as the aircraft, remote control, extra batteries, propellers, and a hard case, ensuring a complete flying experience. The drone is equipped with advanced features like 360 degrees omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, a 12-bit A-log for superior post-production flexibility, and intelligent tracking capabilities. Additionally, it comes with the Autel Smart Controller SE, valued at $759, which enhances user interaction with a 6.4-inch OLED touchscreen. With a dual after-sale service guarantee and no geofencing restrictions, the Autel EVO II Pro 6K is an excellent choice for both aerial cinematography and mapping applications.